Shit. What's up, y'all? Yeah, fucking cameras falling and shit. What's up, y'all? Just got off work, tired as hell. I'm a little parched. That's good shit. So we got a little unboxing. So what's in this box is my first timepiece. Call it a timepiece. Sound a little more sophisticated if I call it a timepiece. So we got my first timepiece in this box. Unboxing knife. Brand new Flightanium arcade. Well, this has been a bad motherfucker right here. I'm loving it so far. Has that shark lock, which I'll talk about this here in a minute. I got this in yesterday, but let's open up this Amazon box. So this is my first watch. Now I haven't really dove into the whole watch game, and I really don't want to dive too deep into it because it gets expensive. But like on I don't wear anything on my wrists at work, but like on days that I go out with the family, or yeah, here at the house, or if I have get-togethers at the house, if I'm going out on town with the family, I usually have like a leather wristband that I use, a leather bracelet. And so I was thinking, I was like, I might as well invest a little in one watch, like that I can just wear that watch instead of using the leather bracelet that I always use. So we got this on Amazon. Citizen. So I don't want to spend too much money on a watch, and like I said, I definitely don't want to go balls deep into the knife game or into the watch game, because I know it gets expensive. But I figured I could drop, $150 on a nice watch. I can wear that instead of wearing the leather bracelet. So we got Citizen. That's a pretty cool box. So I was looking at different I really like the field watches, so that's what we got here is a Citizen field watch. The leather band. We got a Citizen field watch. It's a Eco Drive, so it's like solar powered. And I'm going on a vacation this Friday. I fly out to California, so I figured get a nice watch, look a little more sophisticated and more manly wearing a watch on vacation. Oh, nice. Cool. That fits perfect. So I figure a man looks more like a man with a timepiece on his wrist. There we go. So I'll set the time after the video. I'll set the time and shit, but hell yeah, that looks cool. Fits good, it's comfortable. Nice leather leather wristband. Cool. I dig it. I'm digging it. This is the watch. This is a dark brown leather strap with I guess like a navy dial. I don't know if you guys can see the color on the video, but that's my new timepiece. And yesterday I got in this Flightanium arcade, and I'm really liking this arcade. It feels really good in hand. It's a titanium bead blast scale with a inlay of green micarta. The blade is S35VN with the DLC finish. But yeah, this is really comfortable in hand, and the action is a lot better than the Shark Cub I have. And this is a Shark Cub from Demco. I do prefer the arcade over the Shark Cub, just because the Shark Cub is a lot thinner than the arcade. The handle is a lot thinner on the Shark Cub, and also the action is better on the arcade. And on the arcade I have thumb studs, which I've always been more of a thumb stud guy versus a deployment hole. So since getting this arcade, I'm probably going to be selling the Shark Cub, which it's still a very comfortable knife, but it is thinner in hand, and I just prefer thumb stud over a deployment hole. So I don't really need 3 Demcos, you know what I mean? But still, the king of all 3 of them is still the Demco 20.5. The ergos on this one are just killer. And I got the thumb studs on this one, that jimping on the back, along with these ergos. Oh, man, this one melts in your hand. So this one is still king of these Shark Luck knives I got. This clip, I'm probably gonna, when I get back from vacation, I'll probably buy a deep carry Lynch clip for this one. But yeah, this 20.5 in titanium still rules them all. But yeah, I'm probably gonna be selling the Shark Cub after getting this arcade in. But yeah, the action is a lot smoother on this one, and the thumb studs, I love deploying thumb studs over a hole. But yeah, thought I'd show you the new arcade here. And I also got in some pry bars yesterday. This is the Boss Steed pry bar. This is pretty cool. I dig it. And then I got another Maverick Customs pry bar. I'm really enjoying pry bars, and when I get into a hobby, I always try to find like the perfect one for me. So that's what I've been doing with the pry bars. I've been, constantly buying new different pry bars to try out to find that perfect one for me. And this one is on top of the list. And this Vostite is pretty cool. I like it. And I bought another Nice Guy Machine Company. I think it's the Middleman. So I bought that one, but I bought it and I told the guy, I told him I was going on vacation this week. I was like, send it out next week. Like that I have it whenever I get home, because I'm not going to be home to check the mail and shit. So I was like, just go. I'll buy it now and you ship it next week. Like that I'll be home to receive the mail. But, yep. These are the two pry bars I got yesterday. So, yeah. Just wanted to do a little unboxing of the Citizen watch I got. And show you guys the arcade and the pry bars I got in yesterday. I'm really digging this one. Loving it. Alright, y'all. Peace.